Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add your friends in close friend list on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to add your friends in close friend list on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to add your friends in close friend list on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to add your friends in close friend list on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding your friends to close friend list on Instagram is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will add your friends in close friend list on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. Then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and then click on three lines in the right top corner, and now click on close friends. In this list, just click on your friend's name or search your friend name, and then click on done, and this account has been added in your close friend list. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add your friends in close friend list on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.